Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investwink Advisors. You all know we have initiated with a new video series on weekly trend analysis for indices. Last week we had shared our analysis on May 20th weekly expiry. You can watch the video in the link above. Based on the same analysis, we had also taken the trades. The profit we generated for the week was 3.6 lakhs. If you have not watched the video yet, the link is available here. Now let's begin the trend analysis for May 27th expiry. Since it's also going to be monthly expiry, so be prepared for volatility. If we look at option chain analysis on Nifty, on put options, 15,000 strike has the highest open interest contracts of 47 lakhs, followed by 15,100 and 15,200. Each of these strikes has 27 and 21 lakhs open interest contracts respectively. But what noteworthy to check here is 15,200 strike has decent open interest built up, which is very evident with the change in open interest percentage. Considering these aspects, we can very well say buyers are confident of Nifty not falling below 15,000 in this expiry. And in worst case scenarios, we can see a fall can come until 14,750 levels based on the last 3 years data for the May month. On the other hand, call options 15,500 strike holds the highest open interest positions with 48 lakh contracts. Further below, we see 15,400, 15,300 and 15,200 strikes has 30 plus contracts each with good percentage change in open interest. With this, we can understand Nifty may not have big moves in this week provided no major news, because until today, that is 24th May, the positions taken by sellers suggest they are comfortable with 15,500 levels on upside. So Nifty has strong support at 15,000 and huge resistance at 15,500 levels. Let's look at Bank Nifty option chain. On put side, 33,000 and 34,000 strike has highest open interest contracts with 10 lakh each. Also, there is no massive build up in positions except for 35,000 strike having 145% change in open interest. With this, we can fairly consider buyers are confident Bank Nifty not breaking 34,000 levels in this expiry, but in worst case scenario 33,500 levels can be seen. Whereas on the call side, 37,000, 36,000 and 35,000 strikes has highest open interest contracts with 12 lakh each. But important to notice is 35,000 strike has unwind in positions and 37,000 strike has seen enormous change in open interest with 80% increase. This just implies that Bank Nifty can turn bullish. We will have to see if further the 35,000 call are unwound and addition is seen in contracts in upper strikes. If this happens, Bank Nifty might close above 35,000 levels as well in this expiry. So Bank Nifty has strong support at 34,000 or 33,500 levels and huge resistance at 36,000 levels. Based on the volume and open interest analysis, we can see the max pain for Nifty is at 15,050 and Bank Nifty at 34,500 levels. That means if these indices expires at these strikes, maximum buyers will lose money. But since max pain theory is derived by open interest, the addition or reduction in contracts across different strikes will change the max pain. Now let's take a look at the FII and DII data. For 24th May, FIIs are short on futures by 370 crores. and long on cash by 585 crores. Whereas DIIs are short on cash by 708 crores. With call and put data, we can fairly believe FIIs are neutral with their positions. Coming to the events, we do not have any major global and local events for the week. However, we have companies announcing the results in this week, like Berger Paints, Page Industries, Eicher Motors, and three pharma companies, Sun Pharma, Pfizer, and Glenmark. These stocks will have result specific movements. With this, we conclude our analysis for the week. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, give thumbs up and encourage us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you again. Happy trading.